Every community has its heartbeat, and for Tupi, it is found in the courage and grace of its women. Tonight, these women step forward not only as contenders for the crown, but as daughters of Tupi. Dressed in gowns of radiant red, they embody what that color truly means. Passion that burns deeply, warmth that embraces endlessly, and strength that endures through time. This is more than just a showcase of fashion. This is a woman's quiet promise to her land, spoken through elegance, movement, and her presence. Ladies and gentlemen, together with the generals, make way for the evening gown competition, ang alab ng ganda mula sa bayan ng Tupi.